Darling,
Yes, honey.
since I lost my first wife, I thought there wasn't any hope again. But you gave me reasons to live again.
Honey, you don't have to worry yourself. I will always be there for you.
Oh, really?
Oh, yeah. And I love you so much.
I love you too.
Oh, thank you.
Auntie, good morning.
Good morning, Kosi. How are you?
I'm fine, Dad.
How are you?
I'm fine, Auntie.
I hope you have eaten this morning.
Yes, Auntie.
Okay.
Kosi. It's high time you stopped calling her auntie. She's your mom, okay?
Okay, Dad.
Get used to it.
Okay. Dad, let me go and take my bath.
Alright, no problem.
Okay.
Auntie, good afternoon.
How dare you? Am I deaf? Kosi, what do you want?
Auntie, I'm very hungry. Since I came back from school, I haven't eaten anything.
Oh, does it mean you can't fast? Eh? From 6 to 6? I don't blame you. Because your late mother have spoiled you with food. Does it mean you can't fast from 6 to 6? This is a new government. From now henceforth, Kosi, you eat only but one. Yes. So neither you choose breakfast, lunch, or dinner. The one you prefer.
What? Auntie, what do you mean by that?
How dare you question me? Eh? So you now have the guts to question me. Oh, you have grown wings to stand in front of me to ask me a question. Are you stupid? Ekosi, are you stupid? Get out from here! Stupid girl, look at her! No, come and eat! Foolish thing, rubbish.
Dad, there is something I want to tell you.
Ah, honey, are you still at home?
Kosi, well, I'm back from work, okay? Alright, then. Take care of yourself.
Love you.
Alright, take care.
Bye. Kosi. Oh. Kosi, you wanted to report me to your father. Really? So, it has gotten to this. Kosi, Kosi, I ask you, has it gotten to this? Are you stupid? I will kill you this girl. Daddy! I'll kill you. Alright, get out! Get out! Foolish monkey, look at her. White witch. Come and report me. Before you could do that, I will make sure I make this life miserable for you. Idiot. Nonsense.
Darling, I'm so famished. Let's eat. look worried. What's that?
So, darling, I suggest Kosi should stop schooling. Yes, to start hawking gala or pure water.
What? Are you insane? How dare you?
I am not insane.
I think you're right. She has to join the streets
Good.
and start making money for the family.
I'm glad
It's
you
right.
understand it. Can we start eating now? Kosi! Where is this girl? Kosi!
Yes, auntie, you got me.
Yes, auntie, you called me. Oh, yes, I did. Anyways, I called you to tell you that you will no longer go to school. From now, you start selling pure water. Yes. What is she doing? Look at her.
Auntie, why are you doing this to me? What have I done wrong to you? But auntie, you promised to take care of me. Please, if I have wronged you in any way, please forgive me.
Listen, let me tell you. Kosi, listen, let me tell you. You said this your monkey they walk, but they shop in this house. Eh? It has to stop.
Please,
Take your hands out of Get out of my sight. I said, get out of my sight.
Wame, onye ka m ga-akọsara? Iju wame, onye ka m ga-akọsara? Afụfụ wame, onye ka m ga-akọsara? Biko Chineke, bịa nyere m aka. Baba.
Yeah, hello Stanley. How about what we discussed then? Okay, are you done with that? Okay, once that's done, just try and inform me on time so I can know the next step to take. I'll take it. Go see. You look worried.
Dad, it's Auntie Nora. She said I should stop schooling and start selling pure water.
Is that all? Kosi, you have to listen to her. She's doing the right thing.
Dad, you mean I should stop schooling and start selling pure water? This is unbelievable. It's unfair. You know I can't do that.
You know your name is Kosi, and I think Okosi saw your second mother. Anything else?
I'm ready.
God. What is she doing here? Eating on my darling table. Because I'm asking you, what are you doing here at my darling table? Okay, you have grown wings. I'm talking to her, she's eating. Look at her, eater. When next I'm talking to you, learn how to keep quiet. Listen. Nonsense. He's a good girl. Will you get up and take this thing out of here? Am I not talking to you? Take this thing out of here! Silly thing. Get out! Get out! Look at her eating on my darling table. When next I will see you here, I just know what to do. Nonsense.
Pure water. Pure water.
I just have the water. Let me take 15 naira. Okay. Give me one. How'd you boy? I don't actually one. Okay. Bring change. Don't have change. Bring two. Give me one. I thought
Like you. Okay, let you go play with. Okay. Oh, thank you. Oh. It is odorless. You get joy. Add the odorless, colorless and tasteless. Add the rest 1 million ever. Jawata come. Thank you. Oh. Yes, I think it's odorless and tasteless. Pure water. worried. What is it?
It's nothing. I'm okay.
Nne, look at me. I'm a friend. You can confide in me. Tell me whatever is wrong with you.
It's a long story.
Okay. Since it's a long story, follow me to my house so you can explain for me.
To your house?
Yes.
Okay, wait, let me finish this first.
Okay. In fact, I've waited. This market is even not even